Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Stripe with GoHighLevel. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to integrate Stripe with GoHighLevel so that they can receive payments through Stripe. How do you actually connect the two together? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to go onto your GoHighLevel account, and then next you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left hand side. Once you click on Settings, you want to navigate and scroll down to where it says Integrations and click on Integrations. Now once you click on Integrations, you're going to see a bunch of softwares and apps that are able to connect with GoHighLevel. One of those are going to be Stripe, located right over here. Sorry, let me move my screen. So one of those is going to be Stripe, which is located right over here. So simply just click on Connect and then follow the on-screen prompts to connect Stripe with GoHighLevel. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect GoHighLevel with Stripe. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.